infrastructure has improved tremendously. In terms of connectivity, of course, all the hostels have internet connectivity, that is not the point. But now we are moving towards providing to all the students Wi-Fi connectivity in all the hostels. You will be surprised to hear that your institution is now winning the Inter-IIT Championship, Sports Championship for 2 years running. Wow. So for the first time in the history of IITs, IITK won the General Championship, Inter-IIT General Championship in 2013. And we were surprised when we repeated it in 2014. It happened only 10 days back.
Now it's a better place.
In terms of research infrastructure, in terms of facilities, we have continuously grown. Some of the major achievements, maybe I would like to use this opportunity to share with you. Amongst all the academic institutes in the country, IIT Kanpur has got the single largest sponsored funding in the country in the form of support for the Flexible Electronics Center. No government organ has ever given that quantum of funding to any institute in the country. 130 crores for developing flexible electronics in the country. You have reason to be proud of this achievement. BARC has recently sponsored the National Aerosol Test Facility, again a unique facility that will be established for the first time in the country to study the various forms of breakdowns, accidents, hazards that can happen in nuclear accidents. That facility is also being built up. From those of you who are in the academia must be familiar that academics is often judged by the kind of sponsored research funding that faculties get and the teachers get in the institute. But many institutes, especially more so in countries like India, developing countries like India, are short of space, and sometimes the faculty has the ability to attract funding, but the institute is unable to provide space to support that kind of activity. So IIT Kanpur has come up with a very innovative model. We are creating 15,000 square meters of the research space, which will be called as the research complex. This research space will be available not to any department, not to any research center, not for a single facility, not for a dean or a director, but only for carrying out sponsored research, more so of interdisciplinary nature. This kind of innovation is also being tried out for the first time. It is at a very advanced stage and the construction is expected to begin in about 4 months' time. When you visit the institute the next time, in 5 years, when you are having your next reunion, I hope that you will be able to see the research complex and the kind of facilities that are envisioned in that complex. We are trying to make it truly world-class in terms of research facilities. And we have reason to believe that it should be possible to achieve. Apart from this, when reunions take place, we are feeling the pinch of scarcity of resources like guest house. So, for a reunion in which the percentage attendance is not more than 20%, you would not feel the pinch. But just about 15 days back, the 25th year reunion took place, and more than 300 people came to the campus. And we were stretched to our limits to be able to provide them good quality accommodation and other kind of infrastructure support required. But hopefully with the guest house extension, which is already on the design board now, and the construction should also start maybe in about 6 to 8 months' time, it should be possible to alleviate that kind of pinch. But today morning I was thinking that batch sizes have grown up. Can you imagine what is the current batch size? 840. So what we are planning for the guest house will run out very soon, maybe in 10 years' time or 5 years' time, even that will run out. although we are planning 133 more rooms. But the hope is that by that time, Kanpur city will pick up. We have better facilities, we'll have better infrastructure around us, we have better hotels.
Don't hope for that.
So I will offer my flat, which is outside.
Similarly, you might have heard about the, or in case you've not heard, maybe I can share it with you, that we are going to inaugurate in July 2015 the Extension Center at Noida. This Extension Center will give a big boost to our incubation activities, in our ability to outreach professionals and the industries, in our ability to hold short courses, conferences in Delhi. It is at a very advanced stage, and we hope that the inauguration will actually take place in July and the activities are expected to start in October. So with these bit of news, I would sort of close my address here. And again, I would like to thank you all for having found the time and the motivation to bear this cold weather and to travel from faraway distances and to come here. I hope you will have a great time here. Thank you very much.
List all the visitors who have come for the reunion, and they will be felicitated by you.
I start calling out the names of our friends.
शुक्ला जी शुक्ला जी
Leading man 001. Hey, Radharaman.
Leading man.
The next,
Please
the
come.
most famous, attorney. Amrish Kennedy. The thoughtful man and his wife Avinash Anand Deshpande.
अरे तुम हट जाओ.
Next time, Himesh Mishra.
सामने देखो.
The unidentifiable Sharat Rajendra Tripathi. Pandit Ji, Ravindra Dubey.
Solar Dubai. Solar Dubai.
Boschke, the first retired man. Why not? Why Sudhakar? Always the late, but always makes it. N.S. Ranganathan.
रघुनाथ
The cool and calm Vinay.
Vinay Bhushan Das, ED.
विनय भूषण दास, हम सबका भूषण है। The tall leading line and great man from the Jalode.
No PJ, sir.
No PJs. No
पंकज और लंबा हो गया।
So when is Praveen Das getting it?
Praveen Das.
Abud, Sabal Singh. Atul Kumar Tandon. अमेरिका से आ रहा हूँ सुदीप चहल।
Smile year, Charlie year.
The flying man, Subrato Kumar Banerjee. Bana.
Did you fly or come by train?
Hemant Kumar Gupta. But not lost the spirit. Subhash Bharadwaj. हमारे one and only Matt Campbell. No one against Campbell. Gambhir Ajay Dubey. I think that name needs to get transferred now. Halambu is somebody else. राहुल पानी चला जाएगा आ जाओ handsome boy Halambu
Marathon runner.
still the same athletic man tennis master Anupam Sarama.
Daroga.
I think he will still fight. Saroj Kumar Tiwari.
PK.
Pradeep, you got it.
Somedev, Commander Somedev. And a very, very logical man. किसी को भी छोड़ेगा नहीं, रघुवीर। पूरी का सका डंडे मारेंगे सबको, घोड़े पे बैठेंगे, आलोक प्रसाद। जिससे हम सब डरते हैं, कब आके हमारे यहाँ पे रेड मारेगा। अभय नारायण। शरद कुमार। The one who made our 5 years musical audio man, Gur Prasad Bhaiya. Tribhuvan Nath Srivastava. PN बोलना सही है, पर लिखा पूरा लंबा है। SK आया, सुशील कुमार गुप्ता नहीं है ना?
अभी तक पहुंचा नहीं।
नीरज चंद्रा,
जी
one of the sweet ladies of our batch, Madam Aparna. अभी भी लोगों को डंडा मारता है जीजी गोपाल गुप्ता। तब भी उलझाता था, अब भी उलझाता है, अब बच्चों को उलझाता है, हमको नहीं। कबीर कभी तक
फोटो
ऐसी
कोई रह गया हो तो
सबकी है तुम्हारी खाली
I'm so glad to see you with a hockey captain. 25 years
ले फोटो ले यार एक आध तो ले कम से कम खींच
The photographer is asking all of you photograph. अरे जाने दीजिए साहब, आप तो हमें बदनाम करने में
मिला लो तो 10 से 15